Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you denim craft ideas. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, let's start today video. Denim pocket wall organizer. We are making a wall organizer. Cute. Cut the pockets carefully. Now take a fabric or board, glue or stitch the pockets. You can keep small things inside like keys, makeups or tools. Simple, useful and very smart idea. And friends, denim bag. Cut the legs of jeans, stitch the bottom, add handles and shirt. Denim bag is very strong, stylish and friendly, perfect for daily use. Denim covered jar. And take an old jar, warp it with the denim fabric, glue it nicely, add lace or button for decoration or lights and candles, warms and so beautiful. And weavers, friends, next is denim flower brooch. Weavers, cut fabric in patterns, fold and arrange them, glue or stitch in center, add a pin at the back. Now your brooch is ready. You can wear it or gift it. And weavers, next is so I hope you will like my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. So friends, Allah Hafiz.